Hey there, hustlers! Welcome back to Make Money with Sean. Today I'm pulling back the curtain and sharing something that has the potential to completely transform your financial future. If you've ever wondered, is it really possible to go from zero to making $10,000 online? Let me tell you, yes it is. And today I'm breaking down exactly how I did it. This is my personal blueprint, step by step. No fluff, no gimmicks, just real, actionable steps you can take to achieve your goals. If you're ready to stop scrolling and start building, grab a notebook, because we're about to dive into the ultimate guide to going from zero to $10,000 online. Step 1. Understand your why. Before we jump into the strategies and tactics, we need to talk about something crucial, your why. Why do you want to make money online? Is it to escape the 9-to-5 grind, to pay off debt, to have more freedom and flexibility? Your why is your foundation. Trust me, building an online income isn't always easy, and when things get tough, your why will keep you motivated. So take a moment and think about it. Write it down if you need to. Got it? Great, let's move on. Step 2. Pick one path and stick to it. One of the biggest mistakes I see people make is trying to do everything at once. They want to start a YouTube channel, run an e-commerce store, launch a blog, and become a freelance writer, all at the same time. Here's the truth. You need to pick one path and go all in. When I started, I chose affiliate marketing. Why? Because I didn't need a lot of upfront money or experience, and I could scale it once I learned the ropes. Maybe for you, it's freelancing, or selling digital products, or starting a print-on-demand store. Whatever it is, commit to one thing and focus. Pro tip: look for something that aligns with your strengths. Are you a great writer? Consider blogging. Good with design? Try selling templates. Love talking? Start a YouTube channel. By focusing on one thing, you'll avoid burnout and see results much faster. Step 3. Build skills, not just income. This is a big one, so listen closely. When you're starting from zero, you don't just want to chase money, you want to build skills. For me, I realized early on that learning how to market, sell, and create content were skills that would pay off no matter what path I chose. So I invested time in learning. I watched free YouTube tutorials, read blogs, and signed up for affordable courses. Let's break it down. If you want to succeed in freelancing, learn skills like writing, graphic design, or web development. If you're diving into e-commerce, learn about product research, marketing, and customer service. If you're starting a blog or YouTube channel, master SEO and storytelling. The skills you build today will create opportunities tomorrow. And the best part? Many of these resources are free or very affordable. Step 4. Create value first. Alright, here's a golden rule. The more value you create, the more money you'll make. When I started my online journey, I wasn't focused on selling. I was focused on solving problems and helping people. For example, when I started with affiliate marketing, I didn't just throw out random links. I created detailed guides and reviews that helped people make informed decisions. No matter what path you choose, always think about how you can help your audience, clients, or customers. Whether it's providing entertainment, education, or solutions, value should always come first. Here's a question to ask yourself: what problems can I solve for people? The answer to that question is often the key to your online success. Step 5. Be consistent and patient. Let's talk about the not-so-glamorous side of making money online: consistency and patience. When I started, it took months before I saw any significant income, but I kept showing up. I kept creating content, testing strategies, and improving. And slowly but surely, the results came. Here's what I want you to remember. Online success isn't about luck, it's about showing up, even when it feels like nothing is working. Post that video, write that blog, reach out to that client. Every small action adds up over time. And remember, it's not a race. Focus on progress, not perfection. One step at a time will get you where you want to be. Step 6. Leverage automation and scaling. Once you start making money online, the next step is to scale. And the key to scaling is automation. Here's how I did it. I automated parts of my affiliate marketing business with email funnels. I outsourced time-consuming tasks like video editing and graphic design. I use tools like scheduling apps to keep my content consistent. The goal is to create systems that allow your business to grow without you working 24/7. Trust me, the sooner you implement automation, the faster you'll reach $10,000 and beyond. Step 7. Diversify your income streams. Once you've got one income stream working, don't stop there. Diversify. Here's what that looked like for me. Affiliate marketing was my first source of income. Then I started selling digital products like templates and guides. Later, I launched a YouTube channel which opened up ad revenue and sponsorships. The more income streams you have, the more stable your earnings become. And it also means you're not relying on one platform or strategy. If one stream slows down, the others keep flowing. Alright, let's recap the steps in this blueprint. Understand your why. Pick one path and focus. Build valuable skills. Create value first. Stay consistent and patient. Leverage automation and scaling. Diversify your income streams. This is the exact roadmap that took me from $0 to $10,000 online. And guess what? If I can do it, so can you. The only thing standing between you and success is action. So don't just watch this video. Take the first step today. Thank you for hanging out with me today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Make Money with Sean, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more tips and strategies. And hey, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's your biggest goal for making money online? Let's keep the momentum going. Remember, your journey starts now. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep hustling and stay inspired.